Okay, today I'm going to go over 102B. In this assignment, we're going to use either add or subtracting the constant or dividing or multiplying the coefficient. Uh, these are normally the last steps in solving for the variable, and we're going to go over that. So I have a little chart here that talks about the inverse operations. Just remember, we always do the opposite. So if you got a minus, you're going to plus. If you're multiplying, you're going to divide. If you're dividing, you're going to multiply. And that's what this little chart shows. So you can refer to this chart if you forget. I'm going to go ahead and do this first example. So if I got x minus 3 equals 7, the opposite is plus. So I'm going to plus 3 to both sides. And I'm just going to bring everything else down. That cancels. And remember, that's our purpose. We're trying to eliminate that guy on that side. And then when I do my 7 plus 3, I will get 10. So just remember, if that was a plus 3, I would be doing a minus 3. Now the other one is the divide or multiply. If the number is on the top, like this is, I'm dividing, because that's really a 2 times x. So I'm going to divide by 2 to get my final answer. And that's gone. X equals 4. And that's how you do the ones when you have to divide. Now the ones where you have to multiply, it's a little bit more rare that this happens, but it does happen. If we have to multiply, it's because that number is on the bottom. Now you're going to see this number on the bottom just as it's shown here, x over 2, or you might see it as 1 over 2x equals 8. You handle them both the same way. If the number is on the bottom, that's what you got to multiply by. So in this case, the number on the bottom is 2, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And the reason is to get rid of that 2. I'm trying to get rid of that number. And then I get x is equal to, and then 8 times 2 is 16. And when you have the fraction in front of the x, it's the same thing. The number on the bottom is what I'm going to multiply by. So I'm multiplying both sides by 2. It's the same thing. It cancels. I get 1x. But remember, we don't have to put that 1. And then that's how you're going to do today's assignment. It's 102B. I believe there's 10 questions.